Hi guys, this is another video that follows the X what was that headphone. This is the headphone. Let me see. Beexellent headphone. That first video I find the problems, and this is the second video that I am doing right here. That two wire was broken, this and the other one this, and as you see, I just put the solder there, and yeah, it's right there. As you see, the solder there. It's both of them, and then now of course it took a little while. I didn't record that time because I wasn't able to do that. So yeah, this is it's working now. The earphone is working. I'm gonna test now. As you see, just put this is the cable, and I put just a CD player right here, and this is the volume that I'm gonna open it, and here you are. This is the headset right there. Nice, yeah.
Oh, I love him so much.
See, like you can hear the
And Prime Minister Boris Johnson put it so well. He said, on behalf of the entire country, I want to say thank you.
So
He says, in these difficult times for our country and the world, Tom, you have brought
repairable. Only that this guy has to. I mean, whatever you find that is broken, and you have to solder it. Yeah, this is the one. It's working. Now I can close it. As I said, we first in the first video we find the problem. This is the second video that, and we just soldered the two wires that it's broken, and now it's fixed. Alright guys, hopefully you like this video, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.